Welcome. If you've ever wished you could send a message on Telegram at just the right moment, maybe a birthday greeting at midnight, a reminder for your team, or a note to a friend in another time zone, Telegram's scheduling feature has you covered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to schedule messages on Telegram, step by step, so you never miss the perfect timing. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or computer. Remember, scheduling messages only works on the official Telegram apps for mobile and desktop, not the web version. Once you're in, head to the chat, group, or channel where you want your message to be sent. Now type out your message in the chat box. Don't send it just yet. Instead of tapping the send button, press and hold the paper plane icon. On most devices, this is the blue arrow you normally use to send messages. When you hold down the send button, a menu will pop up with a few options. Tap on Schedule Message. This will bring up a calendar and clock, letting you pick the exact date and time you want your message to be delivered. Choose your preferred moment. Maybe it's later today, tomorrow, or even weeks from now. Once you've set the date and time, tap Send on chosen time. That's it. Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you selected, even if you're offline or busy doing something else. If you want to check or manage your scheduled messages, just open the same chat and look for the small calendar or clock icon near the message box. Tap it to see, edit, or delete any scheduled messages you've set up. With this feature, you can plan ahead, stay organized, and always be on time, no matter what. Give it a try and see how much easier it makes your messaging on Telegram.